Are you looking for a fast track to wealth? There are a lot of ways to make money in this world. From providing a service through a business, investing in the stock market, or investing in real estate. However, some ways are faster and more reliable than others. While you can take many different paths towards wealth creation, each path requires a basic framework for you to follow to achieve massive success and wealth. Be it thousands, millions, or even billions. Stay tuned, because in this video, we will uncover the steps you need to take to fast-track your way to wealth. 1. Figure out your path and real goals. What's your goal? Is it to retire at 55? Or is it to have financial freedom sooner? Maybe you want to quit your job and travel the world. Regardless of what your goal is, you need a plan to help you get there. And that plan should include a way to accumulate wealth quickly. There are a few different ways to do this, but one of the most effective is through investing. Investing in your own business, real estate, or the stock market. However, you must have a plan in place to know exactly where you want to go. Not having a concrete plan can delay or even stop your dreams of financial success from coming true. 2. Take some risks. Anyone who wants to get ahead financially needs to be willing to take on some risk. That doesn't mean you should go out and invest all your savings in a high-risk stock, or put everything you have on black at the casino. But it does mean being willing to take calculated risks that have the potential to pay off big. For example, investing in a startup company or taking a chance on a new business venture. Of course, there is always the potential that you could lose money, but the potential rewards are often much greater. So, if you're looking to accumulate wealth quickly, don't be afraid to take on some risk. It could be the key to your success and to fast-track your wealth to new heights. 3. Try new things. Trying new things can be daunting, but often the payoff is worth it. Learning new skills can open up opportunities that wouldn't have been possible before. And, in today's rapidly changing world, possessing a diverse skill set is more valuable than ever. Being able to adapt and learn new things quickly will help you to accumulate wealth quickly. There are many ways to pick up new skills. You can take classes, read books, or listen to podcasts. You can also shadow someone who is already successful in the area you're interested in. Whatever method you choose, make sure you're really putting in the effort to learn. Remember, it takes time and practice to master any new skill, but it's worth it when you see the results. 4. Learn from the best. When it comes to building wealth, there's no substitute for hard work and dedication. But if you want to stack the odds in your favor, finding a mentor and learning from the best is a smart move. By seeking out someone who has already achieved financial success in your chosen field, you can shortcut your own path to riches. A good mentor will share their insights and knowledge with you, helping you to avoid costly mistakes and make savvy decisions with your money. In addition, a mentor can provide valuable connections and introduce you to new opportunities. If you're serious about accumulating wealth quickly, finding a mentor is a step in the right direction. 5. Invest and save for the unknown. Unknown expenses always seem to pop up when you can least afford them. A broken car engine, an unexpected medical bill, these things can put a serious dent in your savings or operating capital budget. That's why it's important to have an emergency fund to cover these unexpected costs. However, you may be wondering how to quickly accumulate the wealth you need to build up this fund. One way to do this is to invest and save for the unknown by setting aside a portion of your income each month. You can even invest these savings into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. By starting early and taking advantage of compound interest, you can grow your wealth even more quickly. So don't wait until an emergency strikes. Start investing and saving for the unknown today. 6. Work harder than anyone else. People often talk about the importance of working hard, but what does that really mean? In its simplest form, working hard means putting in more effort than the average person. But it's not just about putting in more hours or working harder physically. It's about being willing to put in the extra effort mentally and emotionally as well. It's about being laser-focused and single-minded in your pursuit of success. And it's about never giving up, even when the going gets tough. When you commit to working harder than everyone else, you set yourself up for success. You become more likely to achieve your goals, and you open yourself up to a world of opportunity. So, if you're looking to accumulate wealth and success quickly, make sure you're always working harder than the rest. So, how can you fast-track your wealth? by following the simple tips we've outlined in this video. But don't just take our word for it, give them a try and see what happens. We promise that if you put in the hard work, you will start to see results. What are you waiting for? Which tips are you going to try out? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, turn on notifications and subscribe to our channel for future videos. See you in our next video. Until next time.